Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So as y'all know, Halloween is right around the corner, and this year I was determined to upload a Halloween video. I saw this girl do like a Purge mask on her Instagram, and I was like, oh my god, I freaking love the Purge. Let me try to redo it. I've never done illusion mask or illusion makeup at all ever in my life. So here goes picture. Isn't it bomb? Like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do as well as she did, but we're gonna try. We're gonna get through this together. I have not practiced. I don't know how this is gonna come out. And my makeup skills, I'm no professional. So, we're gonna see how this goes. Yeah. But this shit happened today. Excuse my French. Y'all. I am livid. But anyway, so we're just gonna stop talking and let's get into it. Love you guys. I already did my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Cover FX. Using brown eyeliner, I'm just gonna make circles around my eye sockets. If you have brown body paint, you can also use that as well. It's okay if you mess up a little bit because we're gonna shade it in, okay? Taking a darker brown, now I'm gonna outline the inner corner of the eye socket and the outer corner of the eye socket. I did forget to mention before this step, I did fill in the circles with a light brown eyeshadow. Filling in your inner and outer corners of these circles are going to make the holes more in depth, making it appear that you're looking through them. Going in with a black eyeshadow, I'm just going to darken the parts I just made dark brown. We're going to have to clean this up. Looking a hot mess. Using black liquid liner or black body paint, you're going to make a very thin line around your holes. Try to be very careful. I'm going in with a little more black eyeshadow because I want it a little more in-depth and darker, and fix whatever little mistakes I made while applying the liquid eyeliner. All of this got to go. Using my brown eyeliner, I'm just going to make a border kind of around my face, so that way the inside of that border would be my mask area. And now I'm going to put on my foundation. Using a different color foundation from your skin, you're going to fill in that border. A lot of people usually use darker foundation, but this is what I had, so this is what I used. How does it look? Is it coming together or no? Now moving on to the smile, you're going to need white face paint for your teeth. Just fill out your bottom lip and there goes your teeth. Using a blush or a blushy lip, you are going to fill out your top lip and underneath your bottom lip to create the lips for your smile. Just to warn you guys, my white part gets pretty crusty because I did this lip 6 times. It was way more difficult than I expected it to be. I'm looking like the Joker. I'm supposed to be the Purge mask. What the fuck? I thought the lips was hard. Now we about to get into contour. And everybody know I can't contour. This is about to be even more of a big disaster than the lips. I did the lips 6 times and I'm still not happy with it. Pray for me. Now onto my favorite part. I'm using my Pure contour kit, starting off with the lightest brown. You're going to go around your cheeks, your nose, your chin, and around the border of your mask. And right here you could be really dramatic. I wish I was a little more dramatic when it came to this, but whatever. My camera's dying, so I have to go pronto. They just don't want me to be great today. Adding a little blush. Or a lot of blush, whatever. This is nothing like hers. I knew my amateur ass need to sit her ass down somewhere. Okay, this is a lot of blush. I even let... My contour sucks! Okay, now, it looks like crap. I can't contour for sugar honey iced tea, but you know what? We gonna make it work. Just like highlight it a little under my eyes with some powder. And same here. Make it look mask. I didn't really get an A+ on the illusion part, but I look scary, right? And there you got it.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Police, fire, and emergency medical
like this
services
video,
will be unavailable
like,
until
comment, and
tomorrow morning
subscribe,
at 7 a.m. when the purge
or
concludes.
you'll be the
Blessed
next
be our
one
new
purged.
founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I'm going to kill you!